Hello, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to split PDF files. So as we are going to using our desktop, what we can do is we can do this in online. So make sure you are connected to internet and search for small PDF. So simply click on that and scroll all the way down, and here you can see all PDF tools. Click on that, and here you can see split PDF. Click on that and you have to choose your file. So let's suppose I want to split PDF file. Okay, and I've just choose that PDF file, and here you can see extract pages, and click on that and simply click on extract, and here you can see all these slides available. It was actually PowerPoint presentation, so I've just converted this as a PDF file. So yeah, and here you can see if you want to just simply extract this page, just you have to select this one. Okay, or if you want to, let's say if you want to select only these two pages, you can just simply do it. So as I just need this first page, so I'm just selecting this one and I'm simply clicking on extract, and here you can see the download option. It will automatically start downloading, but if it does not, what you can do is simply click on that download, and you will be able to see your download will be open. Now here you can see I've successfully splitted my PDF page. So that's how you do it. So I hope you guys understand this video. If you have any kind of question regarding this video, feel free to ask in the comment section below.